Jodie! Yay! You and Paul, they're in together, are they? Go on, Chris! I've seen that, yeah, it's going all the way over. Look, Brian! Start now for your race. The kids race go down, down.
I'll do some looking to do as well.
Some coats off the rings, then we can warm up. The coats.
I would probably miss them both, probably.
Cubbies, shout, come on, Cubbies. Yellow. So yeah.
They're all gone now.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Menai High Street, so Steve, we're not far away from having a win.
Right then, here we go then. We're pumping up the music, get dancing with the music, get clapping, make the noise with the cowbells. We're nearly there. 1 hour, 10 minutes, hour, 10 minutes at the clock.
So who's it going to be? Is it going to be Alan Vaughan? Is it going to be Richard Roberts? Who is going to be the winner of the 2015 Jones and Company Anglesey Half Marathon?
Who's with me? Team Alan Vaughan! Who's with Team
Rich Roberts!
Rich Roberts!
Hey! I've got one to Vaughan.
Right, da ni'n bron iawn, mae hyn yn cyffroes iawn, da ni'n gweld yn dyd o ddod y gormod yna. Dydy'r Max iPad yn gyda fi, mae fydd gyda fi wedyn, ond dwi'n gwybod pwy ydy'r hedwyr, dwi'n nawr.
Okay, we've got the finish.
Here we go.
The winner is heading into the finish line. Here it is.
On the beat.
Over to you.
Right then, here we go then, on the beat to the music, come on. 2015, Jones and Company, Anglesey, Half Marathon, Hannar Marathon, and the squad, doing it with him, and initially the winner, Alan Vaughan!
From St. Mary's, 1 hour, 11 minutes and 23 seconds. Winner of the 2015 Anglesey Half Marathon, sponsored by Jones and Company. Alan Vaughan from St. Mary's.
Well done, Alan. Alan Vaughan, da iawn chi. Enillydd 2015 Hannar Marathon, awr o 10 munud. Fel ni'n gallu mario y marathon ar gyfer
And here comes the second place runner. We got Richard Roberts, also from Menai Harriers. Richard Roberts. What a rich, great run there to second place. Only about 20 of them. Here comes Russell Bentley in third place, also from Menai Harriers. Well done, Russell. Great run.
Well done, Russ.
Just over 1 hour 13 on a day like today. That is a very, very respectable time and fantastic into third place. That was Russell Bentley from Menai Harriers. Please put your hands together and give him a big round of applause. Well done, Russell.
Here we go then, the first 3 runners are in there. Russell Bentley, Richard Roberts, and the winner, Alan Vaughan, the 4th runner coming in.
Here comes Callum. Hey, well done, Callum. That's Callum Rawlinson. He's from Sale Harriers in Manchester. Fantastic run for Callum. He was here helping
Alan Vaughan, y tri cynta y ras y dynion, Menai Harriers.
This is Stephen Skate. Stephen Skate. And he's just behind Stephen is Stefan Sayer. Stefan is from Carnarvon and Stephen is from Brentford. Now Stephen does a lot of triathlon events, so well done, Stephen. It's good to see you back doing our half marathon. So soon we'll have a lot of runners coming in. Here we have Tim Davis. Oh, Tim Davis just behind John Dance and Tim Davis coming in. Well done, Tim. Good to see you. Good old mate of mine, Tim Davis from Wellspool, Baldwin Harriers. Tim's brother Andrew Davis runs for Wales at the Commonwealth Games last year, and Gwyn Owen from Bangor. Put your hands together for Gwyn Owen, London, a local runner from the Menai Harriers. Well done, Gwyn. Well done! Well done! Stephen I in the judge here. We've got 1,140 runners here today at Anglesey. 1,440. That is a lot of people.
Pamela working, Kimball, from London, Ringoras, Wally from the Michael Hickman, Westbrook, Morgan, Chester Greffler, Chris Kirsty Setter, David Griffith, Dave Lemon, James Nichols. You know, there's so many finishes, a brilliant time, it's 1:37. Overall, like I said, we had 1,400 runners, including the actual kids race. And James Nichols down the East London run as well. James, welcome to Wales, hope you had a good run. Hopefully we'll see you again next year. Of course, if you enjoyed yourself today, then we always have our events, we organise lots and lots of events to enjoy. We've got our next event is the end of April is our Grand Central Conway, so we're thinking the weather's getting a bit better and the sun starts to come out today, you get a little bit longer. You're going to dust off your bike and you get on your bike for the first time of the year.
What was it? Oh,